2026! Here I come!
Tagay pa! Bilisan kami!
Ay! Marathon walk. Check 8:56 na.
Bukat lang po.
Sobrang fail. But I want this cream puff. Yeah. It's New Year's Eve and I'm sick. Still sick since Glenog. Bili lang kami ng konting stuff kasi we don't have anything at home. Tapos, ayun lang. Tignan natin kung anong ganap today. Tatakbo siya mamaya after namin mag-grocery. Ako iwan sa bahay. Hindi ako makakatakbo. Bawal pa ako tumakbo kasi meron akong
Kahit walang
injury.
sakit, bawal tumakbo.
Oh, actually.
And honestly, I think I've had enough.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm so done with love. What do I keep holding on? Maybe I'm dumb.
Our favorite
Maybe I'm
ribs.
clueless. Maybe I'm all of the above. It's so confusing. Maybe I'm blind.
Quit.
Paano pa? Pagkakalas na naman eh.
Paano natin gagamitin yan? Flammable
May
eh.
instructions yan.
What am I supposed to even do? 'Cause every time I meet somebody new, it goes up in flames, disaster. How could we ever stay friends? What am I supposed to even do? I'm so sick of love. 'Cause honestly, I think I've had enough. I'm so done with
Bili tayo ng cake.
what do I keep?
Let's buy my favorite cake. Can we get 2 Biscoff, 1 blueberry New York cheesecake, 1 tiramisu, and 1 cream puff?
At tiramisu ka ka?
Yeah. We got the goods. Do you wanna hold my hand? Do you wanna hold my hand? Why are you not holding my hand?
It's all made up. All of these reasons never even meant a thing. Yeah. Maybe I'm dumb. Maybe I'm clueless. Maybe I'm all of the above. It's so confusing.
Nain niya na agad. Ano yan? Blueberry New York cheesecake. Masarap ba? Tikim?
Hindi matamis, diba?
Hindi nga matamis. Sarap. Wala na kami masyado mong pinili. So, meron pa akong sakit. So, hindi ako masyadong magluluto ng bongga. Sakto lang for our dinner tonight and probably until lunch tomorrow. Ito lang binili ko. Ribs, I'll just put this in the oven later. Or pwede din sa air fryer. I've done both. Mas mabilis actually sa air fryer. So, air fryer na lang siguro. And then, I'll just make some pasta. So I have this Italian sausage. So instead of using pork mince or beef mince or chicken, I use the sausage kasi malasa na siya kasi meron na siyang herbs. Yan. Tapos syempre bumili ako ng gamot. Manonood kami ng fireworks later pero hindi na yung 12 midnight. Kasi dalawa kasi yung fireworks dito usually. 9 p.m. and 12. 9 p.m. is it's for kids and 12 midnight is basically the fireworks for New Year, obviously. We'll watch the 9 p.m. lang kasi hindi pa rin ako okay. Baka lalo ako mabinat. So, yan. Magpo 4 p.m. na ngayon pa lang ako magla-lunch. Si Mike nag-lunch siya kanina. Nakita ko sa inyo yung food ko. Take out lang to from yesterday. Mga leftovers. Puro kami leftovers eh. Thai food yan lahat. So, leftovers na fried rice with grilled chicken. Ito, soft shell crab. Nakaterno nito papaya salad. Tira lang, partner yung dalawang yan. Tapos, syempre, hindi mawawala ang tom yum soup. And Thai food, yun yung number 1 go-to namin. Grabe, panalo. Winner! Kahit na may sakit, we are still cooking. I'll be cooking, I think I've mentioned it earlier na I'll be cooking Italian sausage pasta. Tapos meron na kaming ribs doon. I-air fry ko na lang later on. And then, I'll be making a mashed potato as well. Balikan ko na lang kayo in a bit. Si Mike tumakbo na. Solo ko ang bahay, it's peaceful, walang magulo. Kaya magluluto na ako. Ganyan kung ano yung pinapanood ko habang nagluluto. Nagluluto din. Favorite ko yan eh. Buti nga may bagong season na. Sobrang favorite kong gamitin pang cast iron. Pero meron siyang downside. Ang two cons na naiisip ko every time I use this cast iron. First is mabigat talaga siya. Second, high maintenance siya. After mo magluto, clean it right away. Wipe it down or wash it if you want. And then, you have to ensure that it's completely dry, as in bone dry. Tapos, kailangan mo siyang i-wipe with oil. I use avocado oil kasi yun daw yung advisable. So yun, high maintenance siya kasi everyday after I use it, ginagawa ko yun parate. And, ang presyo ng avocado oil, it's no joke ha. Para sa maliit na ganitong bote, this is $11, I think, as far as I can remember. So, medyo pricey to. So, high maintenance tong pan na to. But, I love this so much. I'm done cooking the pasta for dinner na to. Kayod pa rin si bakla kahit may sakit. Ayan, tapos na po tayo mga kababayan. Lagay muna natin dito. That's the pasta. So it's sausage, Italian sausage pasta. Mashed potato. Ito yung mashed. Konti lang. Kain na! The ribs and the salad. Our simple dinner, pasta, mashed potato, ribs, yan, and salad.
Off the bone, tenderness.
Pag ganun ka pa.
Literal eh, di ba? Pag ganun, nahulog.
Yun, pagkuha ko ng buto, naiwan yung laman. Kinama yung laman eh. Wait. What happened? Pagkatapos kumain, nagpadali kami, grabe. Kasi, sabi nito, kailangan namin abutan yung 9 PM na fireworks. Magsistart pa lang kami kumain, 8:20 na. Sabi niya, baka di na tayo umabot. Sabi ko, sige, kung di abot, doon na lang tayo sa 12 midnight. Tapos, after namin kumain, 8:37. Tapos na, 8:20 kami nagsal. 8:37. Pagtingin ko sa time. Tapos na kami kumain. Sabi ko, oh no, gusto ko i-try abutan yung 9 PM fireworks. Sige, kung may makuha tayong Uber. So, nag-try siya kumuha ng Uber habang nasa table pa kami sa taas. Nag-book siya, may kumuha. Tapos, hanggang 1 minute na lang to arrive ng Manali kami.
Pero iniwan na kami. Na-feel
Tumatakbo. Tumatakbo kami kasi
hindi naghintay.
Hindi sila nag-aantay dito. Ito tumakbo. Mga ganun siya. Mabilisan kasi akala namin wala kami makukuha ng Uber. So nag-try lang siya. Nandun pa kami sa taas. Oh my God. Malapit lang yun eh. Kaya lang ang concern niya is baka hindi kami umabot sa 9 PM. Kaya kailangan namin mag-Uber. Ka-stress? Malalaman natin kung aabot pa tayo sa fireworks. Meron na lang kaming 9 minutes to go. Nasa sasakyan pa kami. Tingnan natin. We'll see. Malay mo naman. Be positive. Time check. 8:51. Time check. 8:56 na.
Bukat tampo.
Sobrang fail. Bumaba na kami sa Uber. Lalo kaming napalayo instead na napalapit. So, 4 minutes to go. I don't think aabot kami, pero naglalakad pa rin kami. Pero, sure ako na hindi na kami aabot. Marathon walk. Babe. Uy, babe, shame. Desperado na. Para lang umabot.
Jack na lang natin kalan, baka ma-appendicitis tayo.
Kasi kakakain lang eh.
Ay, habang go.
Stoplight tuloy. Ayoko tumakbo. Bawal nga daw ako tumakbo eh. Ay, hindi go talaga siya kasi wala nga sasakyan. Ay, go, 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 go. Dali. PT ko, bawal ako tumakbo.
Oh my God, napatakbo kami. Baka ma-appendicitis ako.
Hindi na talaga tayo abot. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. 8:58 na. Dami rin naglalakad. Late din sila, tulad namin. Late sa countdown. Labas ka na ng phone kasi 1 minute na lang. Oo. 8:59. Time check. 8:59. 1 minute na lang naglalakad pa kami. Ewan ko kung saan namin makikita yung fireworks. Kaya tumakbo. Ayun na. Ayun na. Naabot naman. Dito, baby.
Always wondering how you do it, even if you don't care about me at all. Always found it so confusing.
Tapos na po mga kababayan. Tapos na yung nagpa-stress up. Sumakit tuloy yung ankle ko. Sabi pa sa akin nung PT the other day, bawal tumakbo, bawal any impact. Oh, nakatakbo ko dahil dito sa...
Was it you that said before you left? I know it wasn't nothing. What's the point of this? So imagine all the things we never got to do. Still my heart up thinking about
That's it. I think that's it. Yeah.
It's no wonder I've been hurting. And all I do is
Sus kami kay Kuya. Hindi ka na
Eh,
kami.
we witness it naman, di ba? Perfect timing.
Actually, ang ganda ng okay na dito eh.
Oo, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta doon. Galing, oh. Di ba? Sa mga nakaisip. So, kanina akala nyo hindi kami aabot. Akala din namin hindi kami aabot. Pero umabot kami!
Hintayin natin yung 12 o'clock.
Ayoko na! So, yung binili namin, hindi na nga namin nasuot. Ito, alam ko binili ito eh.
Oh my God. I-assemble pa to.
Kunin mo!
Ito, i-assemble pa.
Doon tayo sa gilid. Doon tayo sa gilid. Dito tayo sa gilid.
still my heart up thinking about you. I've tried, I can't feel a different point of view. It doesn't help with every single thing that's in
Tapos shake. Ayun.
'Cause it's just me in my own head. Wishing I could take back what I said.
Nakakilaka.
It's okay to live like this. I'm here, but rather have you.
Ang ganda. Gusto ko din ng ganyan.
Things we never got to do. Fill my heart up thinking about you. And I've tried, I can't feel a different.
Eh, eh, eh. Oh, yun nga, robotic. Eh, eh,
Every single
eh, eh, eh. Meron din yung mga bata. Ikaw ba't meron ka? Hindi ka naman bata.
Guys, ang dilim dito.
Ano?
Guys, ang dilim dito guys. Wala kami makita. Wala kami makita guys. Bilisan mo, babe. Oh my God. Nagkamali tayo ng daan. Nabasa kami.
Kasi, dito kami
Kasi-
dumaan sa, baba mo.
Mayroon palang sprinkler.
Dumaan kami dito sa park. Sa
So,
gabi.
madilim.
Di
So,
namin
hindi namin alam naka-on yung mga sprinkler. So, iniilag-ilagan namin.
Nakaano
Umiikot.
sila, left and right, umiikot. So kung iilag
Oo,
ka sa
ayun.
right, babasa ka naman sa left.
Ipapakita natin mamaya. Ayun, ayun.
So nabasa, in short, nabasa kami.
Ayun, nabasa kami, basa. Yun yung mga inilagan namin kanina.
Pero nabuta pa rin.
Nabutan pa rin kami kaya basa kami. What an adventure. Nabasa kami, hindi sa oras, wala sa oras.
Basa yung salamin. Yung damit mo. Basa-basa. Buko.
Wala, hindi halata. Okay.
May tsura ko. Ano ba yan? Wow, ang fresh, bagong ligo. Grabe.
Going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces, but I'm tired of
Pero
staying
kanina
up
pa,
late. I
nakain
can
na
never stay
matatamis.
the beauty of settling down with you. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence, saying
More
nothing.
vlogs in
We could just hold
2026.
my